How do you scale yourself to become a very reputable Qi Men Dun Jia consultant? Hi, my name is Dougles Chan. I'm going to share with you what are the steps that you can do to make yourself to become a reputable consultant in years to come. I'm not saying months, but in years to come. So it takes a bit of time and effort to become a pretty reputable consultant. And I have gone through this process before, and I know how it really works. So by sharing with you, I can share my information and my knowledge to you. So perhaps if you're able to use some of the information and the knowledge to build your career in this path, I think that will be very interesting. So first of all is this. You need to have the skill of this Qi Men Dun Jia from the perspective of Cai Wu method, and then divination, destiny chart, date selection, or even if you want to go further into this Qi Men Feng Shui, also can. But the main section is the divination and the destiny sector. Date selection is a very common thing. But anyhow, acquiring the knowledge, I think that's very important. And it's just not about the knowledge, it's about the skill set. Able to practice it and use it when people ask you certain questions. And based on that, you're able to give people advice on the direction to go in terms of business, in terms of career, in terms of relationship, so on and so forth. And because of that, people trust you and you give them the guide on how to go about solving their life situation, their life challenges. So you are like a life coach, you're like a consultant for them. And then because of that, you are able to be paid based on certain amount of charges that you want to charge them. But having said that, once you acquire the skills, you also have to create your own database, your own fans, your own this group of people that is able to trust you. So that will be the most difficult part. First thing first is you may not even go to the next step. Why? Some people have this particular problem saying that, am I good enough? Am I qualified enough to give people consultation? So the challenge is this. If you never step out of that zone, you will never be good enough. Because you will never be good enough in the first place. And you will never be perfect. Because of not being perfect, you will make mistakes. So in the very beginning, first, I call it the first phrase. The first phrase is always the most challenging part. How to get customer? How do I charge people? Maybe I may suggest that you don't charge people. Can you get about 20 friends or relatives that may have some challenges in life, or perhaps they are willing to give you the trial to see and test your own skill? You see, by doing so, having a trial together with them, and they're willing to give you the time to test your skills, aren't you polishing up your skills? Aren't you creating confidence for yourself? So this is a process whereby you are training yourself to be very skillful. After 20 rounds of consultation, will you be skillful? A little bit. But you will gain confidence. Because of getting the confidence, you feel that you are a bit better compared to the first time. And from there, can you get more people to assist them? Can you help them? Maybe very minute consultation fee, $10, $20, or maybe a rate packet, from the kind of perspective. So the thing is, you have to start from zero first. When you start from zero, means that you have to put your face, your ego, your reputation, put one side first. You just start humbly and help people. When you start to help people, people can feel, people can see, and they can relate to you and understand that you are genuinely helping them. Once you start the process, you will start to build a fan base of people trusting you, and eventually this group of probably 20 to 50 people will start to introduce their friends to you, their relatives to you, and because of that, you can start to charge a little bit more. So it's a scale up process. You can charge $10, $20, after that go to $50, $100, $200, depending on what is your comfort zone. But of course, immediately if you want to charge $500 a section, nobody knows you, you got no reputation, and because of that, you won't be able to make any money. I have to be very practical with you. Unless you go and have a very massive advertisement in the social media telling how good you are, you create a video for yourself, and then you spend thousands and thousands of budget to create a fantastic high-end, high-class video. But the fact is that not many people can do it. You have to start from somewhere. You may not have any budget to do all this kind of thing. But let's be practical. When you do it too commercially, eventually people will know that you are just a commercial guy. People that wants to ask for consultation will be looking at how sincere you are. If you are too commercial, sorry, they will know that you are just a commercial guy, meaning that they know that you are reaping money from you. So you have to be original, you have to be authentic, you have to be real. And from there, you slowly build your fan base or even a database. You collect their data in terms of their email, their phone number, their status, so on and so forth. You build them. Initially, it's hard. I understand, but you can build a few hundred, a few thousand, and eventually, this group of people will be your soldier to help you to bring yourself to the next level and become a very, very reputable consultant. The journey is tough, I can tell you, but eventually, this is something that you need to go through. But the reward is good. You gain $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 a month, Sing dollar, it is very, very reasonable. I've seen people done that before. I've trained people done that before. I've done that before. So end of the day is, would you want to go through that process? Would you want to make the kind of money? And would you want to help more people in your life to make a difference in other people's life? If you want, come join me. And then from there, I will assess you whether you're suitable to be in this industry. And then from there, if you are, let's move on and start the ball rolling.